sixth panelist is Matt Gummery, a product manager at Global Fishing Watch, aiming to empower stakeholders through development and improvement of Global Fishing Watch's software products. Previously, he led policy development for the Marine Stewardship Council to safeguard endangered and threatened and protected species. He worked on projects to incentivize fisheries to adopt science and management best practices and minimize ecosystem impacts. Matt has a master's of research and a bachelor's of science in marine biology and oceanography. Welcome, Matt. You have 5 minutes to introduce your project.
Thank you very much. Yes, so the organization I work for is Global Fishing Watch, which is an international NGO that uses satellite technology, machine learning and data visualization to build an accurate picture of human activity at sea through open data and tools. And it's all accessible for free. And that's going to be the crux of my point in this panel discussion, really, is that transparency of human activity through free and open data is really important to level the playing field and to allow a more diverse and broad group of stakeholders to come to the same kind of conclusions that any group can. So the specific project that I work on is called the Marine Manager Portal, which is aiming to address ecosystem-based management of our ocean through open access to data. And we're working with a few partner sites at the moment to understand how they might benefit from data. So these are sites all around the world, and we collaborate with local NGOs. And I like that idea that we were discussing earlier of global as a connection of local, because we know that there are lots of different groups and lots of different user needs all around the world. So we want to work with local NGOs to understand what the stakeholder landscapes may look like, what the issues or opportunities are that we can help to work on. And so through an iterative process of development, we collaborate with all of these different local and regional groups to understand their use cases, their needs and opportunities, and how we can build something that actually works and is useful for those groups. That's where Global Fishing Watch is aiming to provide some support into allowing people to understand what's going on at sea. Often you can only see offshore a few kilometers, but lots of these countries and regions have a vast amount of ocean area, and it's just unknown what is going on there. So we'd like to try and shine a light on that activity. The last thing I'll say that I think is relevant to this process is training. So we would like to focus, when we collaborate with these partner sites, on training to remove ourselves from the situation. So those groups that we work with can self-serve, they can identify their data needs, understand activity, what's happening where in a certain area, and continually update that information themselves. And so we also are investing a lot in training to allow and empower stakeholders to find their own answers to the questions they're interested in. I'll leave it there because I'm conscious of time, and I think the panel discussion is going to be really interesting. Thanks very much.